Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term lurid. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, lurid means very vivid in color or shocking in detail, often unpleasant or sensational. People use it when describing something that stands out in a shocking or sensational way. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Lurid first showed up in the 1670s with Latin roots meaning pale yellow or ghastly. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among writers and artists. Now let's check out how to use lurid in a sentence. Correct example 1. The newspaper published a lurid account of the crime that shocked the entire town. Correct example 2. The movie's lurid colors made the horror scenes even more intense. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said lurid at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using lurid right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Lurid means very vivid in color or shocking in detail, often unpleasant or sensational. It started in the 1670s with Latin origins, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with lurid in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.